Hi everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, nice to meet you. My name is Emily and I just got a Glossy box in the post. So this month is in June and yeah, I just want to show you what I got in my Glossy box this June. I also signed up for a Birchbox and I also got two other boxes, but that'll be in a different video, but I'll be recording it today anyways. So yeah, I just want to show everyone what I got in Glossy box. Also, if you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this video and to my channel, because it will help me. Yeah, so this is the Glossy box and I'm just going to open it right now. Also, if you don't know what Glossy box is, it's a monthly subscription beauty box service that gets delivered to your door every month. I think it's five products. Yeah, so this is the Glossy box. And it comes in the pink box, usually. It just depends. And okay. This is what the box looks like. It just says Glossy box. And this is what's inside the box. I really always love the bow. It's just like so cute. Dreaming of Paradise is this month's box. So this is the magazine, what's going to be in this month's box. So yeah, I'll show everyone what I got. So this is wrapped up. So I'm just going to open the box. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what is this? Dark chocolate, nuts and sea salt. I won't be eating this tonight, but yeah, thanks Glossy box. I may just give this to one of my family members. But yeah. Okay, so first in this box is OUI Cherry. It's a hydrating lip oil. Oh, I also heard this changes the colour. I mean, like, okay, so what it says is the Beauty Crop full size cherry lip oil for gorgeously kissable lips. Look no further. This non-sticky, moisture rich lip treatment will gloriously enhance your pout's natural colour. That's what I was looking for. Yeah, which is really cool, whilst making your lips super smooth. Enriched with a lip loving cherry oil blend, your lips are sure to be kept unbelievably soft and nourished day to night. It retails for £13. It's on thebeautycrop.co.uk, which I was so excited to try. I also have like literally no like lipstick on or lip gloss, so I'm just gonna try this. And yeah, how to use apply to lips. Oh yeah, pH custom. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna open this because this looks like a so yeah, I'm just gonna open this because this was like my favorite in this like whole entire box. Well, this one and an exfoliating scrub that I can't wait to try. So I'm just gonna open this right now. It's the lip oil. Okay. Ooh. Hydrating lip oil, the Beauty Crop is the brand, and these are all of the design cherries on it. It's so cute. So I'm just gonna try this on. The lip oil tastes like, or should I say, it smells like fruity. It smells like really, really nice. I love this. This is like my favourite so far. Second up, we have this Nip and Fab, which I've been seeing around a lot lately in shops. I have never tried this brand, but it actually looks so good. It's a vitamin C scrub fix. Now, if you know me, I do love my vitamin C face cleansers, oils, face oils, anything like that. Serums like this. This did not come in the glossy box, but I always use this. It's just a brightening serum. I got in Primark for €4, but yeah, anyway, this did not come in the glossy box, but I do love my vitamin C face and skincare stuff. So yeah, this was the second favourite of mine. I can't tell which I like more, the lip gloss or this, but definitely the lip gloss because I love that lip gloss. But I can't wait to try out this. In it, so it says this is a full-size product. Energizing and illuminating, this exfoliating scrub is infused with vitamin C, coffee seed extract and coconut oil to effectively cleanse, nourish and renew your skin. These key ingredients also aid in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and soften your complexion. It retails for £12.95 on nibandfab.com. I can't wait to try out this. I'm just gonna smell it and see like how it smells like. I can't smell anything. It's because it's closed. Okay. Oh my god, it smells so nice. Okay, that smells really nice. I will try this on in another video. So yeah, I'll try the cleanser. Oh sorry, exfoliating scrub. So yeah, these are like my two favourite in this month's box. And so third up we have this. So it's called Mitchell and Peach. So blended with almond oil and vitamin E, this body oil leaves skin soft and scented. Apply a small amount to skin and massage gently. Okay, this English leaf. Okay, I don't know what to think about this. I really never use body oil, but I will try it out and see. Reminiscent of freshly cut meadow grass, this oil is fragranced with English leaf, a blend of soft citruses, coriander leaves, basil, mint and floral oils from the Mitchell estate. It retails for £23, which is like a lot for a body oil, but I'm sure this is really good. So yeah. Smell test. So I can really smell like leaves. It smells really nice. Okay, fourth up then we have this cleanser, micellar or cleanser. I did try this cleanser before a couple of times. The bigger version of it. My doggy. Hi Cookie. My skincare. Did you come say hi? You come say hi? Did you? Cookie. Say bye bye. Say bye bye, camera. Look, that's you there. Yes, yes, Cookie. Oh, you want to go down? But yeah, as I was saying, this is really good to remove like makeup. I did use it before, a big massive one, on my eyelids to remove like my eye makeup. So yeah, and I had like a reaction to the product. I don't know, sometimes it's good, but maybe I just use my cousin's one. Maybe that's probably why, but I used this before again and nothing happened. It's just sometimes. But yeah, this is like really good for like clearing away your face makeup. But yeah, I won't really use this near my eyes again. Yeah. So, but thank you Glossy Box. I would use it around like my face to take off my face makeup. So this is like really good for a face to take off your face makeup. An effective yet gentle way of removing makeup and cleansing the skin in one easy step. This cleanser lifts makeup and dirt from the skin to leave it free of impurities and residue, revealing your skin's natural glow. Perfect for even the most sensitive of skin. This product has a soothing and fragrance-free formula that suits all skin types. This is the mini one. I do know you can get like a massive one, and it retails for $1.99 on Garnier.co.uk. So yeah, last but not least, there is this product right here. What is this? It's a shampoo. I don't know if I would ever use this. Cleanse and Purifying Scrub. What? It's not a shampoo? Oh, it is. Cleanse and Purifying Scrub with sea salt. Christophine Robin. This is what the product looks like. Detox your hair with this cleansing, purifying and soothing shampoo. Treatment. It's a treatment. It can also be used as a post-color treatment to soothe tingling and itching sensations. Within 24 hours of using, the scalp is restored to optimal hydration levels and hair will be left shiny and clean. Deluxe Mini 40ml worth £6.40. Full size 250ml retails for £40. Top tip: for best results, use once or twice a week. Maybe I would use this. This purifying shampoo is ideal as a detox or a post-colouring treatment. Apply on wet hair, massage the scalp, lather, then rinse. Use a nourishing treatment on ends and ends if needed. The scalp is healthy and soothed and hair is shiny and light. So yeah, that's all that came in not Glossy Box. That's all that came in Glossy Box. Also, don't forget, if you want to subscribe to Glossy Box, the link will be down in my description box below. And yeah, I also have another video going up which will be Birchbox, and also a skincare routine. And I'm also still working on my music. So yeah, I can't wait to release my music. And yeah, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, comment down below what topics videos you want to see, whether it's makeup, whether it's fashion, whether it's skincare. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. Have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing life. Bye.